Here's a quick clip how to remove core plugs. Not sure if it's of interest, but hey. Half a brass and half a steel. I wonder if these have been replaced. Shouldn't be. Oh, I'm glad I took them out. Wow. There's a lot of muck in there. Glad I took them out. Keep them for size. Wow. A lot of muck in there. It'd be a lot easier for it to be cleaned out without the plugs. So I've already taken out the worm screws. I believe there's one in the, oh, there's two in the back. I'll take them out too. Basically the same way. Just a bit harder to get to. Okay. I've put tat screws into these before to pull them out. And I may do that again. Just to show you this is how I do it when I have to get to metal screws. That wasn't very good. Then we can grab the tack screw. Sticking through a bit far. There you go. That's how that's done. That in there. Still doing it the hard way when I don't have to. Getting a bit blunt. Ta-da! Just a little trick. I wasn't taught that one, I worked that one out by myself. And that is how you remove core plugs. And now it's ready for cleaning. Oops. You remove core plugs, it's ready for cleaning. On to the next job.